Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to rebuild a Penn Senator. This is a 6.0. Most Penn Senator reels are basically the same. So if I'm doing this one on a 6.0, it should work on a 4.0 or a 9.0. So here we have everything taken out. Just some grease in here. So we're going to start off by putting the springs back in the slots here. 2 springs. You're going to be putting the ball bearing back in this hole. Just put that right in there. That's the bearing. Then we're going to be putting in this right here. You want that facing up. You can press it down. You can stick that pinion in place, so just right on top of it. I'm holding it down so the springs don't pop it out. You're going to take your bait or the free spool. You're going to push down on the pinion while sticking this top one in that slot right there and the bottom one in that slot. And you're going to press down all the way on the 2 springs and the pinion. I think that's what it's called, the pinion. And you can slowly let it off.